Struggling to remove small oil filters can quickly turn a routine oil change into a frustrating task. Using the wrong tool often means slipping, stripped filters, or wasted time. That's why a quality small oil filter wrench is essential for any mechanic or DIY enthusiast. Today, we'll explore the best 5 small oil filter wrenches that offer precise grip, ease of use, and durability. These compact tools make removing tight or awkwardly placed filters hassle-free, saving you effort and protecting your vehicle. Let's jump into the detailed reviews of these top picks. Kicking off our list at number 1, Motivx MX2320. The Motivx MX2320 is a compact, high-performance oil filter wrench designed specifically for small to medium-sized filters. It's favored for its innovative design that combines strength with precision, making it ideal for tight engine bays and delicate filters. Key features. This wrench features a solid steel construction with sleek, adjustable band that fits filter sizes ranging from 2.5 to 3.5 inches. Its low-profile design ensures easy access in cramped spaces, while the textured grip on the handle enhances control. The MX2320 includes a quick-release mechanism, allowing fast adjustments without removing the tool completely. Benefits and usage. The Motivx MX2320's adjustable band provides a secure, no-slip grip on filters, reducing the risk of filter damage during removal. It is especially useful for small filters located in tight engine compartments, delivering excellent torque without excessive force. The quick-release feature speeds up size changes, making it perfect for multi-vehicle garages or home users tackling different cars. Usability. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, this wrench fits comfortably in hand, even during prolonged use. Its low profile lets users maneuver it easily around engine components, while secure grip prevents slipping in oily conditions. The quick-release adjustment minimizes downtime between jobs, improving efficiency. Durability. Constructed from high-grade steel with corrosion-resistant coating, the MX2320 is built to withstand harsh workshop environments. Its band maintains tension and resists stretching or deformation over time, and the handle holds up well against impact and wear, promising long-lasting reliability. In the second spot, we have Powerbuilt 648633. The Powerbuilt 648633 is a small, robust oil filter wrench designed for professional and DIY users looking for a compact but powerful tool. Its versatility and solid build make it a dependable choice for various filter sizes. Key features. This wrench has a steel band adjustable from 2.5 to 4 inches, supported by a sturdy handle that provides excellent leverage. It also includes a rubberized grip for comfort and slip resistance. The tool's compact head fits into tight engine spaces without sacrificing torque. Benefits and usage. The Powerbuilt 648633 excels in securely gripping filters, even those coated with oil or grime. Its adjustable steel band wraps tightly around the filter, distributing force evenly to avoid crushing. This wrench is great for small filters in confined locations and is equally handy for stubborn filters requiring extra torque. Usability. Designed for ease of use, the Powerbuilt wrench adjusts quickly to different filter sizes. The rubber grip handle ensures comfort and control, even when hands are oily. Its compact head design allows access in cramped engine bays, while the overall weight makes it easy to handle during extended maintenance sessions. Durability. Made from durable steel with a corrosion-resistant finish, this wrench withstands the rigors of frequent use. The steel band remains taut without bending, and the handle's rubber grip resists wear and cracking. Its build quality ensures it stays reliable for years in both professional and home garages. Coming in at number 3 is the Capri Tools CP21050. The Capri Tools CP21050 is a compact oil filter wrench crafted to offer precision, strength, and versatility for small oil filters. It is popular for its balanced design that blends functionality with ergonomic handling. Key features. This tool features a heavy-duty adjustable steel band that fits filters from 2.5 to 4 inches. Its textured rubber handle delivers a firm, comfortable grip. The wrench's design includes a ratcheting mechanism that allows for controlled, incremental tightening or loosening without removing the tool. Benefits and usage. The CP21050 ensures a secure grip on small oil filters, reducing slippage and potential damage. The ratcheting feature enables precise torque application, helping users avoid over-tightening or filter breakage. This makes it particularly useful for delicate filters in compact engine bays where space and control matter. Usability. The Capri wrench is lightweight and easy to handle, with a rubberized grip minimizing hand fatigue. Its ratchet mechanism streamlines the removal process, and the adjustable band quickly conforms to different filter sizes. The tool's slim profile enhances maneuverability in tight spaces. Durability. Built with hardened steel, the CP21050 resists wear, corrosion, and deformation. The ratchet mechanism maintains smooth operation after extensive use, and the rubber handle withstands oil, exposure, and heavy handling without cracking, promising years of dependable service. Taking our fourth spot is Neiko 03421A. The Neiko 03421A is a small oil filter wrench that focuses on delivering strong grip and easy operation for small to medium oil filters. It's a favorite for its rugged construction and straightforward functionality. Key features. This wrench includes an adjustable chain mechanism with a steel handle, capable of gripping filters from 2.5 up to 4.5 inches. Its design incorporates a knurled handle for enhanced grip and a strong chain that resists stretching. The compact size fits well in tight engine compartments. Benefits and usage. The Neiko 03421 has chain design wraps securely around various filter shapes and sizes, providing superior grip on filters that are often hard to reach. The wrench distributes force evenly, making filter removal smoother and reducing the risk of damage. It's particularly useful on filters with irregular surfaces or in awkward spots. Usability. The knurled handle provides a secure grip, even when hands are greasy. The chain adjusts easily to fit different filter diameters, and the tool's compact design allows it to fit into small, crowded engine areas. Its operation is simple and intuitive, making it accessible for both professionals and hobbyists. Durability. Made from hardened steel, the Neiko wrench is built for strength and longevity. The chain resists wear and stretching, while the handle withstands impact and corrosion. The entire tool maintains performance over time, even with regular, heavy use. When it comes to small oil filter wrenches, precision, grip, and durability are key. The Motivx MX2320 stands out for its innovative quick release, while the Powerbuilt 648633 offers a great balance of comfort and power. Capri Tool's ratcheting mechanism adds control, Neiko's chain design tackles awkward spots, and CTA Tools delivers compact reliability. Choosing any of these top 5 small oil filter wrenches will streamline your oil changes, save frustration, and protect your vehicle from damage. Pick the one that suits your needs and enjoy effortless maintenance.